Hello and welcome to the Like a Boss community. I'm Coach Randy Bird. As I've coached over the last 8 years with Tom Ferry International and Keller Williams, and now my own coaching company, I've noticed some key factors that are valuable to help agents succeed. We've woven them into this program with different levels, from new agent to a mega agent to some team leader that wants to attract and recruit talent. This system is very powerful if you use it. We built this to follow just a simple checklist per day for 30-day sprints. You know, a pattern can be interrupted and a new pattern can emerge in as short as 21 days. That's why we've developed this program for you. I think you're really going to enjoy it. It's very simple to use. We've got a community on WhatsApp that you're going to be in per level, as well as you have an accountability partners or multiple partners you can choose in the app to be accountability partners with and for you throughout this. So we're very excited to bring this to you. Check it out. It's very inexpensive. We've made it so everybody could be included in this. And I think it's going to be a difference maker, not only in your business, but in the real estate space in general. So thank you. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Randy Bird saying bye for now.